You're gonna love the 2022 Honda Civic. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Presenting the Honda Civic sedan, the iconic, sophisticated compact that sets the standard for comfort, reliability, performance, and efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system. Don't settle. Get into the automotive icon that has earned its reputation for excellence over and over again. Drive the Honda Civic sedan.